today we're gonna open
Open what?
each mass dinosaurs. They will be strong and big, so make space for your dinos.
Okay.
Now, let's open the Tyrannosaurus.
Describe it.
It's called the King of Dinosaurs. Okay, so
Show it to the camera.
it has something that's gonna eat you. Now, because of this one, this is gonna be a cool one. Now, I just have to find the one that's gonna be eat. Can you help me find it?
Which one?
Wow, you found it! Get explorers. Now, let's see if we are gonna have a fight with this. It's one! Cool! Now let's see. Now, we're gonna have the each mass.
Don't turn your back on the camera. Always face the camera.
We have the each mass Indominus Rex. It's so huge. And it can eat anything, like cell phone those stuff. And it's one more King of Dinosaurs. But the biggest thing is that the Spinosaurus is smaller than the T-Rex. The T-Rex Indominus Rex. So, it's so big old, so mighty. Think that's what it can do.
Do you have a song for it?
It's called the Indominus Rex, so it's not a Giganosaurus. Okay? So it's still bigger than T-Rex or Spinosaurus or Giganosaurus, but the Spinosaurus doesn't know that it has legs. Cool, huh? Yes. Counted to Tyrannosaurus. It's one of the dinos that are combined. Now we have the Spinoraptor. See these speedy 1 feet and it can eat you. See, it's so TTO. It's big, huh? Its so claws are to scat things, and its long tail is to push things, and its so claws here are to catch tiny things. So, now, even though that this has this sharpest claws, this one also had the biggest sharpest claw, right? You can scat you. Now, we have the Tyrannosaurus. Now let's see how much. Okay. Now.
Show me the card.
See, the might is 8. The speed is 6. The bane is 5, and the 7 is attack. See, it is fast dino and it's a strong dino. Now, it does the same as the Jurassic World action attack. This is also the same. They are from the same soul. See?
That's the Indominus.
Indominus babies. Count away babies. Okay, now we have the Pteranodon. If you see this Pteranodon doesn't be a dino. See this light? It's red, huh? Now we have the woolly mammoths. Now, do you know that the horns don't think that it can defeat anything? See, the baby has tiny horns, but the mommy has big horns, see? And these woolly mammoths are our family, see? Now, have the beautiful and the Indominus
Not too close,
Rex.
Aiden.
Because this
Not too close.
Indominus Rex has been stronger than the T-Rex. But even though Indominus Rex and the Utahraptor, this one, I had it with the T-Rex, with the Utahraptor, the Indominus Rex can also eat the T-Rex. See this? This is the Action Attack Tyrannosaurus Utahraptor Gigantosaurus.
What?
And this is the Action Attack Tyrannosaurus. And this is the Action Attack Gigantosaurus Utahraptor. What was the next one?
Allosaurus.
Allosaurus.
Carnotaurus.
Carnotaurus. T-Rex.
Spino.
Spinosaurus.
Adenosaurus.
And it's also a tag action attack. And now, we know that we have lots of dinos, but do you know that this dino was called the no-horn Triceratops? No-horn Triceratops. It has horns, but it's called no-horn because it has horns here, but it's called a no-horn because it doesn't have horns here. And it's for eating. See. Now, we know that we have a Velociraptor, Utahraptor. But this
Velociraptor.
is called the Gigantoraptor. It is the Gigantosaurus. See, its teeth. Look at this color. Now,
What's your favorite?
I know that we have Electrosaurus. See, its tail, it looks like it can electric things, but it's not called the Electrosaurus because it has electric. It's called Electrosaurus because it's electric, but it doesn't have electric. It has electric here and electric here. Cool, huh? Now, what is this dino called again?
I don't know. Allosaurus?
No, the one in the one that you can find it. Indominus Rex, and I thought this was a mix-up dino, but it's a Indominus Rex too. And we have 2 Indominus Rexes. And now we have the Dilophosaurus. Cool painting. I painted it so you can see it.
Oh, what colors do you see?
You can see it's male with the inside.
The camera is the circle one.
Okay. See? It's different than. Look at its color. So beautiful. And do you know that this dino was actually the next king of dinosaurs?
No, I didn't know that.
Very huge. Like this much huge. Huger than a house. Like this. It's like huge as a tummy. Okay? And this.
Last one. How about plant eater?
Dominus Rex is the guy that is a cowboy. Now, we have. This is the plain teeth one and the meat teeth, okay?
Okay.
So, yes, the action attack Stegoceratops. See? Its tail, it looks like an action attack. Cool. Look at its face. It looks angry.
Okay, last one. Time's up.
Now, we have back here. So it says yes. Bye.
Oh, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. See you next time and be a dino adventure. Bye. See you in the next dino adventure for tomorrow.